Because of Immunical and Immunitech, glutathione is now almost a household word. But what does glutathione do? A lot of things, actually. But we can summarize the 4 most important things that glutathione does in your body with the acronym IDEA. Glutathione, what a great idea. What do these letters stand for? The I stands for the immune system, the D for detoxification, E for energy, and finally A for antioxidant. In regards to the I, the immune system literally could not function without the presence of glutathione. Think of glutathione literally like food or nutrition for your immune system. When we look at detoxification, there are literally thousands of toxins and pollutants in the environment that depend entirely on glutathione for their detoxification. I tell people that next to water, there's probably no more important detoxification substance in our body. E stands for energy. Energy production would grind to a halt without glutathione. Our cells and their power plants that we call mitochondria would literally burn up from free radical damage were it not for a constant supply of glutathione. Finally, A. Scientists refer to glutathione as our master antioxidant. Without glutathione, things like vitamin C or vitamin E could not function. Glutathione recharges these antioxidants. Glutathione recycles these antioxidants. And if you think of antioxidants working together like gears in a clock, well, a clock needs a spring, and glutathione is the spring that drives all antioxidation. So remember, glutathione, what a great idea. And with this in mind, you can start to appreciate the enormous role that this substance plays in your health and your well-being.